go. Hey! Welcome to another episode of Brent's Van Life. We kind of left you hanging on the edge of a cliff because we're heading to a Van Life meetup. We have these 4 times a year on Vancouver Island with this group, and we're just about to take off and go check out the new digs here up at Buttle Lake, west of Campbell River. Here with my buddy Wayne. As you all know, if you watched the last video, he took off on me. Let's see what's going on. Oh, he must have took off. I don't know where the heck he went. But we're here at the elk rest area. It is slightly raining, and we are just about to take off as the gates open in about 10 minutes. Look at this place.
Come on, let's go to the house.
Man on a mission. Man with a plan. Man on a mission.
Okay, dude, let's do it.
Brent the VanLife man.
No, I saw you babbling away to people.
Well, I know those people.
Oh, do you?
I know the other people that are thinking of doing van life.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
My little buddy can, let's say, get carried away talking with people. It's all good. Just want to get in there with the less people that's there, the more chance of getting a good spot. We got a couple awnings and some things we'd like to break out, so make a nice dry gathering spot for others. Arrived here at the campsite. You are a yappy little boy, and I'm going to let you out in just a second, okay? Sorry, we kind of forgot about you guys. We're getting the vans all lined up here together because it's raining out and we want to have ourselves some cover. So we're using our awnings to create a nice little gathering spot. I gotta grab my rug out of the back so we can let the monster out. What are you gonna do?
Shower back here.
There you go. Dude. See if we blow some of this water away. Okay. Let the dog out. You know he's gonna get tangled between there, so I should put something between there so he can't go. Look at this guy's unit. Eh? You know, Wayne, if you just strip naked and cover yourself in soap, I'm pretty sure the weather will take care of this for you.
Yeah.
I don't know what the other campers will think. They'll probably call you a weirdo.
I am a weirdo.
Now this guy's getting entangled. He's already behind my chair. I'm gonna set up that table. Couple chairs. Starlink. Hi, Nandy, to sit down. Quite a number of us are showing up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 of us already. And we're barely set up. I'm too tired. And I just want a table set up. Building a table to put my barbecue on. So I'll have a table, barbecue, and a fireplace. Okay.
Sorry,
Is it wet outside?
I'm gonna get in trouble.
Is it wet outside? No, you get in trouble? That's my middle name. You should know that. The crew's all here. There's a whole bunch of people here. Hang on, dude. Settle down. Look at this for a show up so far. And we're only at 3 o'clock? 3:30 in the afternoon. Quite a number of people here already. we're just kind of hanging out under here. We're gonna wander over there because there's a whole bunch of people hanging out over there, and they're all wearing a rain gear. So I have to go into my shop, take my coat off, and show them what West Coast people think about this liquid sunshine. The dude and Wayne and I are gonna wander over and see what these people are doing. Okay, here's the scoop. We started to go for our little walk. The camera died, which is good because there's nothing worse than me trying to stick this camera into strangers' faces. I got to meet a bunch of wonderful people. Asked if I come by later, we'll have a little chit chat with them. But right now it's potluck time, so we got to run over to the cabin, the cabin over there, and everybody's bringing up food. So it's a little potluck guest kind of thing. We're gonna have some food and sit around and eat and BS a bit. There's quite a number of people here already. It's pretty cool. Okay, this isn't going to be easy because this guy is such a little attention whore. He wants to go over there, and I still got to carry this with me. So the filming over here won't be that great. Okay. Oh my goodness. We just eat too well at these places, don't we? Hey? Hey? Oh my goodness. Aww. Where's that little brat? He's sniffing around looking for leftovers already. Bon appetit, and we'll talk to you later. Okay. Enough socializing. Me and this guy take a walk down to the river. You want to go see the river? I mean the lake? Come on. Let's go. Look at this guy's unit. He told me that was used for the pipelines when they were building the pipelines up north. Said he picked it up very, very cheap and made it into his camper van. It's pretty cool. Oh, check this out. Wow. I didn't realize how close we were to this lake. Pretty nice. And yes, I know. My breathing sucks. The weather is trying to change so drastically for us for tomorrow. Should be a nice day. As much as I'd like to explore a little bit more for you guys, it's been a long day. It really takes a lot out of me when it's socializing and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go back to my place, light a fire, relax, and have a beer. Let's get going. Come on, bud, let's go. There's some pretty nice machines here. Oh. Yeah.
A couple years ago.
What do you think, Wayne?
So far, it's been a good day.
Right?
Yeah, and the spring just stopped. I love it.
Wayne had to lie down after dinner. It was quite amazing. And I was looking at. I went for a walk down to the beach. And, jeez. And it was looking really good, wasn't it, guys? Yeah, it was looking very good that we were. The weather looks like it's going to change. The clouds are lifting, so it looks good. With that fireplace, we're signing off. Oh, by the way, I found my beer. Dude. Nice and warm in here, eh? Just waking up. It's 7:45. One of the best sleeps I've had in a long time. I think maybe thanks to the fireplace. We're gonna get up and see if we can mooch a coffee. We sat up and watched a movie last night. Half a movie, me and Wayne. It was really quiet this morning. So before 8 o'clock. Where can we find a coffee? Hand ground coffee. Always share your secrets. So I whined and stibbled enough, and this lovely lady, if you know her, say hi in the comments, made me a beautiful cup of coffee in her beautiful French press. Did you check that baby out? Life is slowly starting to wake up around here. I saw a bear going over. Oh, there he is over there. That's our buddy Chris over there. He's just waking up and went to look for Johnny on the spot. We'll do play-by-play later in the day. Oh, there's a puppy. I don't know if you can see that thing. The dude is like, Dad, Dad. Okay. Coffee was amazing. And being the first up and the only people up, it seems to become a place for people to congregate. That's the word I'm looking for. Taking this guy for a little wander again. We did go down to the river already, or to the lake, but he needs to sniff around and get rid of some energy. Cool, eh? That's cool, eh? Leftovers from last night. Everything was nice and cool. We had all kinds of vans here. 1990 Pleasure Way. Awesome. I saw this. We had to go check this out. Hey? Yes. All the people here. Let's go say hi to our buddy Christopher. Christopher! 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 Aren't you that famous YouTuber?
Going to be one day.
Yes, I hope so. How you doing, buddy?
Good, bud.
Oh, well, good old Chrissy. You keep bugging him about making videos. Big teddy bear, down-to-earth guy. Maybe we'll get him doing something soon. We're making our way back to the campsite. Got his Wi-Fi out. I think I got some messages because of him.
Don't have the curling iron. I don't know.
Well, a few weeks back, we went to, me and his girlfriend Zoe went to Nickelback. Oh,
Okay.
that was a great week.
You. Okay, enough of this gathering. Everybody seems to be getting up slowly. There's a couple people that are thinking that need to be talked to. Sometimes that guy can be a little pain in the behind. He can't be left behind. He needs to be a part of everything. So, as I was saying, you guys have seen enough of the VanLife meetup here. So we need to go out on, well, let's say, an excursion. We're close to a couple neat things. I'm feeling pretty good today. So I think I'll end this video and say tune into the next one because we're going to some cool places and then coming back here. See you in the next video.
If you're liking what you see, please come over and join the Dude and I on YouTube and check out more of my videos where you can subscribe, like, and comment.
Brent the VanLife man.